In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Morgan's free trial so you can try out its pro features. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that you have a smooth and easy experience beginning your journey with Morgan's platform. First things first, head over to Morgan's website. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, it's pretty straightforward. You'll need to look for a button that says Try Free or Get Started. This is your gateway to unlocking all the pro features Morgan has to offer, completely free for 2 weeks. Go ahead and click on that button. Now, let's talk about signing up. This part is simple, but it's very important because it's going to set you up for the trial. You'll need to sign up using your email. Make sure it's an email you frequently use, as this is where Morgan will communicate with you about your trial and any other updates. You'll also need to create a password. Choose something secure but easy for you to remember. You want to make sure your account remains safe while still allowing you easy access. One of the best things about Morgan's free trial is that during the sign-up process, your 2-week trial begins automatically. There's no need for a credit card, which means you won't have to worry about being automatically charged once the trial period ends. This gives you full confidence to explore everything Morgan has to offer without any concerns about unexpected charges. Throughout this trial period, make sure to dive in and really use Morgan as much as you can. This time is for you to test out all the pro features available. Whether you're organizing your schedule or planning out your projects, experiment with everything Morgan provides. The more you explore now, the better you'll understand how Morgan can fit into your daily routine and improve your productivity. As your trial period comes to a close, you'll need to make a decision about whether or not Morgan is the right tool for you moving forward. If you find that it truly enhances your productivity and workflow, consider upgrading to a paid plan to retain access to all the pro features. If you decide not to upgrade, just keep in mind that you'll lose access to those features once the trial ends, though you can still use the basic version of Morgan. And there you have it. You're now all set up on Morgan's free trial. This is your chance to explore and understand the platform to its fullest before making any commitments. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy all that Morgan has to offer. See you next time.